Hi! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Duet Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner twice and choose Got it. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Following that, create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing it from the list. Now you can adjust it however you feel like it. For example, add a title. Now select starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this switcher next to all day to disable this feature completely. Then click on Events, select one of your email addresses, I will go with that one. Click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your events to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just click on the same option and tap on Does Not Repeat. Then scroll down, choose Add Location. Then click Allow in the pop-up and type in an address. Now you need to click on Correct Result. Over here you can set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it, take some notes, add attachments and finally save it by choosing Save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it and tap on this pen icon. Now make your changes and tap on Save. If you wish to get rid of it though, tap on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!